Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? This update is going to be very important, and this video is going also very important because in this video we predicate this to upcoming time there is chance to they moving upward or not. The price is increased now. They can hit $1 or not. Absolutely, they very important update, my friend, for all of you. So kindly holders, don't skip any second of this video. First of all, I'm going to show you, my friend, the latest update, and after this we predicate this, my friend. So kindly, before I get started video, I request you to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest news and updates. Thank you so much. Alright, the last one our chart is on the screen. You can see here this is the current latest update, and the price is completely moving upward. You can see here the chart occur as plus 4.64%. Definitely it's going to be very good. The price is very fastly increased now, so it's mean to the price is hit, my friend, just in only 1 week, my friend. Stake today hit, my friend, just in only $1. So kindly holders, don't do this big mistake. Kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price is increased and they give you $1 at the end of this month if they're moving at this speed, my friend. So kindly hold it, and if you want to research, if you want to invest, then please research personally. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you kindly research personally. You take a decision. When you take a decision, sell, hold or buy, kindly research personally. But this time I tell you, my friends, completely they moving upward. But after a predicate, absolutely you understand, my friends, today are really moving upward. So let's see, my friend, the last 1 hour chart to what's going on. This time, if you can see, my friends, the last 1 hour chart is going to be also very good. The last 24-hour chart is absolutely showing, my friends, today moving upward in upcoming days. You can see, my friends, in this circulation they're moving upward. So definitely after a failures they take a very good jump. You can see here after a failures they take a jump. You can see here, and after a failures they take a jump. So they're moving at this circulation. It's mean, my friends, to upcoming time they're moving upward. So kindly you need to hold it and make a good money, my friends, make a good profit. So they give you $1. So kindly hold it, please, and also subscribe to this channel. Absolutely, this channel is guide you every time. Kindly like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.